ipapakilala natin ang bawat character. Simulan natin to star in this Kilig Overload Vertical Series. First, we have the fast rising TikTok star, Perlas!
Hello po! Ako po si Marie dito sa vertical series na to. Ako po si Marie, ang maganda, ang determinado, pero takot na takot magtiwala na kahit kanino. So, magbabalik siya para harapin yung mga taong nang api sa kanya noon. Yes!
Maraming salamat, Perlas, talaga naman. Joining Perlas, the main dancer and vocalist from the vocal heartstoppers of P-pop, Yes, My Love, we have Nico Badayos.
Hello po. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi. I'm 30, the boyfriend number 1, the fake boyfriend ni Marie. Ayan, so si 30, campus crush. Mabait. So, hindi ka na-agree sa akin na. Mapagmala sa akin. Ayan, and always, basta, manood kayo.
Sige, yan. Kaunti lang muna,
Yun lang muna.
Para kilalanin ka nila
Kasi
doon sa
mamaya.
series.
Tsaka mamaya.
Yes, oo, ayan. Maraming salamat, Nico. Kasama rin nila ang charismatic heartthrob ng 1, 2, 3 boyfriend ni Marie, Eli Padilla.
Yun, ako nga pala si Lance. Ako yung prank boyfriend ng boyfriend number 2 ni Marie. Ako yung charismatic. Ang kilabot ng crush ng bayan.
Ayaw sabihin na.
Selfish, manipulative. Yan.
Grabe yung tone ng voice, di ba? Character talaga ni Eli. Maraming salamat, of course, ang magdadagdag kilig sa kwento ni Marie, our boyfriend next door, Aaron Gonzalez.
Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm Aaron Gonzalez and I play si Marcos. I'm, well, guwapo, magalang, and I'm the boy best friend ni Marie. And I'm also, I'm the cool guy, I'm the life of the party. So, mamaya, we're all gonna party.
Yes!
Right?
Yon, yes! Salamat, Marcos. Nagagampanan, of course, ni Aaron. Next, ang magbibigay vibrance with his colorful character, we have the social media star, Zuzu!
Hello everyone, I'm Zuzu as Gorgeous. Bestie Marie, the diva, the girl's girl, and her all-time favorite bestie. So, diva, the bestie, the supporter.
Diba? From a vibrant bestie, dito naman tayo sa mga nako. Ito talaga yung highlight ng mga ganitong mga series eh. Siyempre, kinaiinisan mostly ng ating mga manonood. Pero siyempre, meron naman ding reason behind it. Let's start with digital superstar, Sophia Jolie.
Kailangan ko ba to? Huwag na lang. Pero if I want it, I'll get it. I'm Sasha? Ay, hindi. I'm fresh. And I'll call siya Sasha.
Ay, grabe! Atake yun! Siyempre, dahil si The Sasa Fresh, tuloy ang tarayan. She's ready to share her acting prowess as a powerhouse actress, Sam Samarita, in her antagonist era.
Yeah, I'm Sash. Nice to meet everyone. Just a tip for everyone, ha? If you want to get close to me, I can try to be your best friend. Pero we'll see pa. So, don't get on my bad side, okay? Okay.
Ay, yes po. Noted po yan, Madam Sasha. Kuhang-kuha naman talaga. Completing the cast is another digital creator and a taste maker from lifestyle to fashion. We have Maya Chi!
Yes. And Dax. Yep. You heard it right. Malaki. Red Gorge. And syempre, best friend of hers.
Grabe yung name, di ba? Gets na gets ang dots talaga. Thank you! Palakpakan po natin muli ang cast ng ating first vertical series. Kaya namin sa iyo ang 1, 2, 3 boyfriend ni Marie. You may now take your seats. Ayan, sige, upo na muna kayo dyan. At syempre, ito na. From kunwa-kunwarianan na uwi sa totohanan, ang susunod nating team, Red.
Ako si Gabby, and for me, it's easy to judge, and it's easy to be judged then. So, gusto ko lang may makaintindi sa akin. Sana naman maintindihan.
Ay, talaga yung pagtingin talaga, ha? Sa kanyang
Hello
character.
guys, my name is Patrick from Vision and my character is ako si Pogs dito and ako ang magiging mortal na kaaway dito ni Gabby. That's it.
Maraming salamat pa at kilalanin naman natin ang next. We have another charismatic guy to add layers of kilig and depth to my favorite liar's plot, athlete and a digital star, Kobe Francisco.
Hi babe, and Arian. It's me, Paula pala. I'm Kobe Francisco. And sa series na to, ako yung magiging best friend ni Pogs. Yan, tapos ako yung magpapakinig kay Arian. Yeah! Ako magdadagdag din ng hotness sa series na to.
Ay, iba naman. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Kobe. At syempre, let's keep the sweetness coming. Completing the cast of My Favorite Liar, we have social media star, Angela Balagtas.
Hello po! Good afternoon everyone. I am Angela Balagtas and I am Aria's best friend and I love making people feel welcome. So lahat kayo, welcome kayo sa buhay ko. Ikaw! And yeah, ang binibigyan ng character ko is like good vibes lang talaga. Ganon. Thank you po!
Maraming salamat again. The cast of My Favorite Liar, palakpakan naman natin. You may now take your seat. Guys, ayan, syempre, ayan ang hahati po namin sa inyo. 1, 2, 3, Boyfriend ni Marie and My Favorite Liar. Palakpakan naman natin. So this time, kamusta kayo? Okay naman?